everyone doing back there? Here, how you doing? You having fun? Yeah? Oh, wee, oh, oh. No, that's not fair. Why is it Charlie can't sing a song too? Yeah, you gotta try to stop telling Charlie what to do. You're not his boss. And he's not your boss. I don't want either one of you guys telling each other what to do.
I didn't sing.
And you just told Charlie he's not supposed to sing, and that wasn't very nice. Charlie, you can sing just as much as you want. Teddy, you can sing, and Charlie can sing. Addie can sing. I can sing. All right, who's ready to run around a little bit? You remember? Remember that? Excuse me? Excuse me? Mm. There, you stay right there. You sit. Stay right there.
Okay.
All right, guys, go ahead and take off your seatbelts. Addie, can you help Charlie with his seatbelt, please?